This game, it's a 30 under category between Barangay Antipolo and Barangay Miranda. Players, ang inyong ritos kulintas, kag ponsiras, kuha nyo na kag matak-in, di ka mo. First five from Barangay Antipolo. Zamora, Soriano, Miles. Gregorio and jersey number 29. Valdebea from Barangay Miranda. Yamoga, Nemisio, Ricky Ron, Gales, and Sarasa. And the ball is up. First position goes to Miranda, to Gales, Nimisio, to Sarasa. Circle shot using the glass, connect for the points. Gregorio now on the leader and setting on the play. Sarasa on him. To the corner, he fake. Back to Gregorio. Miles, he take the shot. No! Rebound, Yamoga. Sarasa, Togales for three. Yes! Miles. Looking for Soriano. Shot clock 8. Shot clock 8. Five shot clock. Follow up using the glass, so strong. Last touch by Soriano. Gales, inside pass to Riqueron. It's a trouble. Soriano now pick up the ball to Zamora. Still by Sarasa. Pass to Nemisio. One dribble and to the backhand using the glass. Easy to points. Gregorio to Soriano. Back to Gregorio. Valdebea. Gregorio to Miles. Shot clock 7. Zamora, so strong. Nemisio now on the rebound. Pass to Gales. Free for 3. No, Riqueron. Reverse layup is good. Timeout. Called by Barangay Antipolo. Seven minutes and 59 seconds on the first quarter. Ocana to Valdebea. Open 3, why not? Bouncing out, battling the rebounds, goes to Gales. Gales now dribbling, still by Soriano. To Miles. To Valdebea. And lost ball pass, turnover. Sarasa to Yamoga. To Gales. Bound pass to Sarasa. A fake. Kick out to Gales. Inside pass. Shot clock 12. 3 seconds. Violation. Sub. Miles. Back to Okana. To Soriano. Attacking on the right. Follow up by Zamora. Connect for the points. Yamoga. To Sarasa. 10 shot lock. Togales, corner 3. Bang! Nemisio. In and out. Zamora now on the rebound pass to Miles. Miles dribbling. Kick out to Amar for 3. No. Foul. Jersey number 11. Sub. Sarasa now dribble the ball. It's a trouble. Recovered for 3. Gales. Bouncing out. Tap the ball to Amar. To Okana. Okana now had the ball. Guarded by Sarasa. To Miles for 3. Short. Sarasa now on the leader and sitting on the plate to Gales. To Sarasa. He fake. Finding by Nemisio. Open shot. Follow up. There's a whistle foul. Jersey number 11 pushing foul. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Zamora. First personal foul. PL now on the line, first at 10, count 10. Score 13-2 in favor of Miranda. Okana had the ball. Here comes the screen, finding on the deep. Deflected, PL now pick up the ball, pass to Yamoga. Yamoga to Nemisio. Last touch by Zamora. Sarasa to Gales. Gales denied. Sarasa recovered. 3 seconds violation. Sub. Four minutes and 25 seconds on the first quarter. Okana, inside pass to Soriano. 2 guys on him. It's a trouble. Yamoga now taking away the ball. Yamoga on the run to Hinaldo. To Gales. Open shot is good. Okana looking around. He takes the shot, long 3, air ball. Pass to Gales. Finding by Pielda. Connect for the points. Okana, pass to Amar. Haleo pass to Zamora. He missed. Sub, same ball. Sub. Score 17-2, 17-2. 7-10, oh. 4-3. Short. Soriano for the sky high rebound in using the glass connect for the points. 3 minutes and 15 on the first quarter. Marquez for 3. Yes! Miles, back to Ocana, to Soriano. Attacking by 2. 10-round shot, so strong. Rebound. Goes to jersey number 23. Ocana shot, lock 3 for 3. Miles. Bielda. To Marquez. One more time. Back-to-back 3 points. Ocana. Intercepted by Gales. Gales dribbled the ball. Gales recovered. Finishing on the left. No. Soriano now on the rebound. Goes to Miles. Back to Soriano. Finishing on the right. There's a whistle. Foul. Jersey number 29. Marquez, first personal foul. For 3, Amar, no. Rebound, Vasquez to Hinaldo. 1 minute and 50. Marquez to Bielda. Extra pass to Vasquez. Denied. Foul. Jersey number 6. Sub. Ocana. Looking around. Pass to Ocana. Jersey number 23. Inside pass to Soriano. On the right. Got it. 1 minute and 20. Hinaldo to Marquez. Pass to Guillermo for 3. Short. Ocana na on the rebound and dribble the ball. He stopped. Behind the arc. No. Hinaldo. 59 segundos. Foul. Jersey number 19. Sub. Bielda. First personal foul. And fourth team foul. 45. Soriano is been denied on the behind. Shot clock 16. 41 seconds. Soriano finding a way almost. Rebound. Hinaldo. Fast break pass to Guillermo and touchdown. No. 25. Ocana to Miles for 3. In and out. 15. Foul and counted. Basket 2 points foul. Jersey number 19. Bielda. Second personal foul. Bonus throw Ocana. 13 seconds remaining time. 13 seconds. Sub. Ten. 7. 5. 3. Basket 3 points. Score 23-15. And on the first quarter. Score 23-15. 23-15 score. Back on the court now on the second quarter game between Miranda and Antipolo. Ocana. To Ocana. Intercepted by Marquez. Pielda recovered. Guarded by Gregorio. To Guillermo, back to Pielda. To Guillermo, easy 2 points. Gregorio now on the leader and sitting on the play. Hinaldo on him, to Miles. Pass to Ocana, he fake. Shot clock 10 for 3. Short. Hinaldo. Pass to Marquez. To Vasquez. To the corner. Guillermo. Using the glass connect for the points. Gregorio to Miles. Back to Gregorio. To Ocana. 10 shot clock. Espinosa. Basket 2 points by Espinosa. Shot clock 10 for 3. Bouncing out. Ocana now on the rebound to Gregorio. He stopped for 3. No. Rebound Marquez. To Pielda for 3. Rebound Vasquez. Traveling violations up. Miles to Espinosa. To Ocana. Basket 2 points. Hinaldo now on the leader. Pass to Marquez. Here comes the screen. Still by Ocana. And touchdown. Timeout. Miranda. Time 7 minutes 25. Score 27-21. 6-point lead Miranda. Basket points, Guillermo. Okana. Tomilis. Running shot. In and out. Rebound, Espinosa. To Gregorio. To Okana. Shot clock 8. Shot clock 6. Shot clock 6. 4-3. No. To Gregorio. Behind the arc. Almost. Hidalgo. Pass to Marquez. Goes to Gales, to Guillermo, he fake, one dribble, fall up, jumper is good! Okana now, dribble the ball, to Gregorio. Inside pass to Okana, jersey number 23. Sub. Hinaldo now had the ball. Goes to Marquez. Here comes the screen. Perimeter jumper. No. Guillermo follow up. No. Amar taking away the ball. Pass to Gregorio. Amar almost still recovered. Gregorio picking a pass to Amar. Deny on the behind. Hinaldo, Nemesio, Gales, touchdown! Easy 2 points. Espinosa attacking on the lane, on the left. And he got a foul committed by jersey number 12, Nemesio. First foul. Espinosa. No rebound, Guillermo. Pass to Gales. Gales on the move, using the glass. There's a whistle foul. Jersey number 21 sub. Five minutes left on the second quarter. Shot clock 15. Gregorio. Sub. Gales for 3. Yes! Amar. Response. No. Last touch Espinosa. Sub. Marquez to Gales, shot clock 12. Rios, perimeter jumper is good. Amar to Gregorio. Full up jumper, no good. Rebound goes to Soriano. And there's a whistle foul. Jersey number 18 sub. Three minutes, 33 seconds on the second quarter. Nimisio now dribble the ball pass to Hinaldo. Marquez pick up the ball, guarded by Amar. To Rios, to Hinaldo, top of the key for 3. Bang! Score 42-22. 3 minutes left. Okana to Soriano, using the glass, easy to points. Hinaldo, pass to Marquez. To Gales on the right side, to the corner. Kick out to Marquez for 3. Foul. Jersey number 3. Amar. First personal foul, Amar. 3 free throws, Marquez. Last throw, balls in play. Amar, inside pass to Soriano, dribbling. Steal by Gales. Gales now dribble the ball. 2 guys on him. Looking around. It's a trouble. Jump ball. In the Provinciano in favor of Barangay Miranda. Two minutes 22. 2 minutes 22. Marquez to Gales for 3. Bang! Meles for 3. He lost the handle by Soriano. Out of bounds. 1 minute 57. 1 minute 57. Rios using the glass, easy to points. Okana looking around. Shot clock 10. Intercepted by Nemisio. Stop. Traveling violation. One minute, 28 seconds. Okana for 3. Air ball. Hinaldo. Attacking on the middle. Deny. Meles for 3. No. Gales for 3. No good. Rebound Meles. Okana. Dribbling on the run. Drop pass to Okana. Still by Marquez. Fast break pass to Gales. He's stopping at that basket. 2 points. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. Meles for 3. No. 20. Double dribble. Timeout. Barangay Antipolo. 12 seconds remaining time. 12 seconds. Announcement, base kung sino mo na nakakita sang yabe, sang Starex nga salakyan, liyog lang di atag sa tibol. Kayang tagiyari di. Thank you again. O sa liwat, no? Kung sino mo nakakita sang Starex nga yabe, liyog lang di atag sa tibol. Ang di remote to siya, di remote. Kaya rin man dik tagiya. 12 seconds remaining time. 12 seconds. Remaining time. 12. Ten. 5. 3. And on the second quarter, basket 3 points, score 52-27 in favor of Miranda. O sa liwat, no? Kung sino man nakakita sang yabe, iya ka Starex na sa nga salakyan, tapos di remote, liyog lang at agdi sa tibol. Thank you. Kag-atensyon everyone, sa Lunes bala, may exhibition game na din. Ang kontra na Team Pontevedra versus Team Pilipinas sa China League ni siya iwaton under 17 exhibition game alas 6 ang gabi. Sa Lunes. Alas 6 ang gabi sa Lunes. Makita nyo man na sa channel 101.